Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I will show the difference between polyline and 3D polyline in AutoCAD. Here you can see here in draw toolbar, polyline here and 3D polyline. These options we get in a 3D modeling, AutoCAD 3D modeling. So I opened AutoCAD 3D modeling workbench and I kept axis in isometric view. So you can see this workspace is of in isometric view. So to see the difference, just first I select a polyline option, then I create lines. See some distance horizontally, not horizontally, in x direction, a line, and y direction with some distance, and again in this direction randomly I create like this, then like this. Then I want to make a block with some height. See, straight. Now I keep line straight, then I take in same x direction. You can see here x, here use a icon, x direction, y direction, z direction. So I take a line like this, enter. Now again I go to polyline. So just a rectangular block I'm trying to create using polyline. Right click, enter. In isometric view, creating isometric view, right click, enter with polyline. See like this. And then the same type of one rectangular block I use in 3D polyline. See, just randomly I created line. Then in this direction I move the line, y direction. I close, then again I take in z direction, z axis. Here we get a tracing like this. Then I right click, enter, and again I select 3D polyline. I start from here now. Just randomly I close that line. Then again I go to 3D polyline. Right click, enter, can connect a line, this thing. This block I generated using this option 3D polyline, and this one 2D polyline. See, now to see the difference, I rotate the screen using here rotate option, free orbit. Here we have one option, orbit, free orbit, constrained orbit. I select free orbit to rotate the screen. See here. Now you can see the block, the rectangular box which we created is showing like this. See, now the rectangular box which we created by using 3D polyline, then it is showing the exactly in a 3D view like this, a closed box. But here by using only a polyline option, here that's only it has taken in a 2 direction. It didn't take in a z direction. Like this, when you want to create a 3D profile, some blocks, whatever, cubes, any shapes, better go for using the command 3D polyline. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.